FEC Train number 121. No, not 121, 123. Crawling through Lantana, Lake Worth. He's just going slow. And the 816 with a wave from the engineer. EOT passing me at 9:06. BBT 609 here south of Pine Street. Please excuse my voice. Just making a lot of racket. BBT 609 here south of Pine Street, the Florida East Coast Main Line. Have a safe trip to the crew of 123. Look at all the progress that they're doing here. Construction of Brightline. It's interesting. Very, very interesting. Look, listen, and live. And don't get sick like me, okay? Out.